Hey guys, so as you saw, I was getting ready for the Canon game. Last year I did a get ready with me video, but this year I'm just gonna be doing it vlog style, so let's just go. This is the finished makeup look. I hope it looks okay. I have no idea. I have on my South jacket and it says South on the back. The Canon game is a game that happens between two rivalry schools here in my hometown, the South Colts and the East High Eagles. And yeah, I'm gonna be meeting up with a friend. She literally was my very first friend in high school and we are still friends, surprisingly. And so much has changed since high school, but it's just kind of crazy that she and I are both still close friends, you know? So yeah, let's just go. Okay, so I'm actually on my way over to the store, to the Dollar Tree, because apparently we're out of cold and flu medication and somebody needs it. I'm just really glad it's not me. Okay, so as you saw, my mom and I were actually watching the Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson. We were watching the Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson. I want to say it's part 3 of the series, so it's really exciting. And yeah, I'm just actually on my way over to my friend's house so we can head over to the game, and I'll pick you up once we're over there. Gosh. I'm not taking pictures, I'm recording.
Number 2, Jordan Goy on the court. Number 4 lost by number 42, Edmond Pitt. Number 2. Hit. The 204 elimination from the Spurs.
She is a slave to her phone. Me? Yes, you. Oh my gosh. It is so. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we are literally leaving. Hey guys, so I actually woke up really late. It is currently, I want to say 8:10. We have to be over there at 9 o'clock. That's when they leave to go to Cripple Creek. And oh my gosh, I came home so late last night from like basically just celebrating our win from the Canon game. We went out dancing. I'm just gonna start getting ready. Hey guys, so we were in such a rush this morning that I literally didn't do any makeup yet. I'm actually gonna be doing it on our way over there. So I'm so sorry that I look so tired. But yeah, we ran out of the house. She is still not here. My mom, she refuses to be in the vlogs anymore. So I'm kind of glad she's not here so I don't have to worry about not showing her. But yeah, we have 15 minutes to get over there, so wish us luck. So are you excited to go?
Well, just to get out of town.
I need to do my makeup on here. I'm so glad I'm sitting with you.
Did you want to get on the inside?
Do you want me to?
If you go on the edge, you won't see it.
Okay.
Come on.
Alright.
If they have it, use them, right? Because if they have 91.
My little Stranger Things lanyard. I love it. I got it off of Etsy. So cute. So I managed to finish my makeup on the bus. Just over here socializing and they're playing bingo. So I am refusing to participate because I don't have that much money. So I got complimented on my ring last night. depending on how comfortable we are, so it just depends. So, yeah, I don't know. It's just kind of an interesting concept in my mind. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So we are here at Dynamite Dick's, and this is my favorite sandwich right here, the blueberry grilled cheese. It is amazing. And honestly, the sidewinders right here, they're so amazing. They're like curly fries, but different.
So she wants her shift. She has. So now they're trying to...
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day. I kind of wanted to explain my trip to Cripple Creek because it was very last minute. It was very undecided. I originally was supposed to go, and then it basically collided with my plans that I had made about 2-3 months ago to go and see Jeffree Star in Denver. He was there for Behind the Brush with Lipstick Nick, but unfortunately they had to cancel because he had suffered a loss in his family. As a lot of you know, his 2 dogs died, so he canceled his appearances in both Phoenix and in Denver. So I'm hoping that they'll reschedule or, you know, like come back next year, hopefully, fingers crossed. But as you saw a little bit earlier, I was on his website. I ordered a t-shirt. It was the Halloween t-shirt that says "Can't Relate," and it has the zombie hand on it. I think that's really cute. So I purchased that, and I also purchased the smallest mystery box. So I'm probably going to be doing a Halloween unboxing of that for you as well. And yeah, I just really wanted to get on here, explain why I didn't go to Jeffree Star. I talked about it in previous videos, and yeah, it was just canceled. You know, things like that happen. But nonetheless, this year has overall been one of the most amazing years of my life. I went to Phoenix for the very first time. I traveled alone for the very first time. On that same trip, I had an amazing time. I went to see Machine Gun Kelly, you know, my YouTube channel. I feel like I'm growing at a pretty okay rate, you know, and I'm getting even more into it. So I'm just, oh, and I got certified as a health and life coach, and I'm starting my own business. And I actually got a call last week, and I'm going to be doing the mastery program coming this spring. So I'm really excited. I'm a little bit nervous, but yeah, I just wanted to come on here, close out the vlog, and remind you all that you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!